Snapchat Plus All Features Explained. Open up your Snapchat application and tap on your Bitmoji icon. Here you will find the exclusive Snapchat Plus, so you can go ahead and tap on it. Right here, you will also find some of the features of Snapchat Plus, such as you can customize the app icon according to your preference. You can also customize the app theme. You can customize your very own Bitmoji pet, that is an AI generated pet for you. You can also arrange some of the Bitmoji background, those will be exclusive for you only, and you will get a Snapchat badge. For an example, in this preview, you can see this black star icon. You can have it beside your name if you have yourself a Snapchat Plus. Similarly, you can set a chat wallpaper for all of your chat. You can watch story rewatch, that is actually an interesting feature of Snapchat Plus. And you can also set any of your friend as hashtag one best friend. Wait for more cool features. You can also customize your own very story expiration date, and you will be able to view your best friend's orbit that will be set according to the solar system. You can customize your notification sound, priority story replies, you will get your story boosted, you will have a bio for your AI also. You'll be able to replay the snap again and again. And also you will get your snap streak restored without any payment as well. And you'll be able to extend your best friend list, generate chat wallpapers, profile background, extend snaps, and peek a peek, that is who has half swiped into a chat. It will also remind you if your snap streak is going to end, and you can also set a custom color for your Snapchat chats. To get yourself Snapchat Plus, you can go ahead and subscribe in the bubble right here. However, it is currently not available in my region. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.